Hi, my name is Janine Kiet,
And I'm Alan Jacobs.
your local DIY enthusiast from Builders,
Have you got some posters laying around?
and want to turn it into a feature wall?
But in this case, a poster wall.
Then let us show you how.
The tools and products you require are a variety of posters, Pattex wallpaper adhesive, foam roller and tray, paintbrush, applicators, sponge, cloth, ladder, drop sheet, and PPE. This young lady has spent a lot of time putting together her favorite posters. In order to do this, you will need a smooth surface. This masonite board was installed to make this possible. Today, we will be gluing our posters to a previously installed masonite board. To prepare the adhesive glue, we need to do the following. Sprinkle contents into 3 liters of cold water while stirring continuously. Allow it to stand. After 15 minutes, stir thoroughly again.
With some of my glue in my tray, I'll be using my foam roller to apply to the masonite board. I'll be starting at the center with my largest poster.
Apply the adhesive solution with a brush or applicator. Position and stick. After applying or sticking down the poster, wipe off any excess paste immediately using clean water and a sponge while pressing the poster against the wall. The layout or design is entirely your choice. Feel free to have fun with this.
Now Alan, isn't this lovely?
Clearly 2 heads are better than 1,
All the products used in this insert
except the posters.
are available at your local Builders or online.
For more inserts like this, visit our website. Get to Builders,
Get it done.